we live on NUZ TV. We actually working on a photo shoot right now for the album cover. Good stuff. We got Andy Jack working with us. Coming out with a hot album, pretty much. We just finished our first scenery for our photo shoot for the album cover. Here with my boy Herman. He's looking good, sharp. You know, as you can see, that's how we doing NUZ, man. And the album is coming out. Be on the lookout. It's a nice vibe. Real good stuff. The best is on it. NUZ. You know what it is.